Good morning. Today is Wednesday, December 20th, 2023. I am here at Arlington Marina, and this is the Hatterdaze at slip P8. And this is Hatterdaze is the name that we were given. This is an inspection video and a zinc install video. So an estimation of time to complete this shouldn't be an hourly. The zincs that I did see on this boat, ironically enough in this water, was 2 R4 trimmed rudder zincs and 2 3/4 inch shaft zincs that I replaced. Everything else, there's no other zincs, and there's no real hard growth, so we should be able to clean this as a regular cleaning.